Hi, my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. I want to share something with you that I was not planning to make a video on or just even talk about it, but I received this package yesterday from Arkansas Yarn Company, which is not just a yarn company in Arkansas, it's also a shop. It's like a yarn shop, physical yarn shop. And this is part of the Sock Yarn Society subscription box. So this is a February subscription box. And Lori, who is lovely person behind this company and yarn shop, and who is actually a dyer, she sent me this box as a complimentary, like a February issue. And as soon as I open it, I actually rushed to the website and sign up for a subscription. And this is my first ever yarn subscription and the only one. And I just wanted to show you, why I was so excited about this. So first of all, the package itself, just beautiful, very thought through. And then this is the February box. Look how gorgeous is this. You have to see the yarn. Hopefully the camera makes the kind of like a justice how gorgeous it is. Look at this. And this one is Yummy Sparkle. And this is Superwash Merino, Nylon, and Stellina. So it's 437 gram yards and 100 gram. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. And it's just like I don't know what is official name of this color, but this is like antique rose, but not too dusty. It's just like a beautiful shade of dusty pink, but which is not too dusty. And it's just have enough of sparkle to make it extra yummy, but it's not obnoxious, just enough. And it's so squishy and beautiful, just absolutely gorgeous yarn. So, and again, the packaging, I just love the label. Everything goes together so well coordinated. So this is the February color, but this is not all of it. So here, let me show you the rest of it. And the whole thing just, feels like I received a birthday gift. So this is about this box, information all about it. It has this little bag, which is so cute. And of course, it's matching yarn perfectly. And here, more things. So this is a bracelet. And it's actually very well made, like it's a very nice quality. So I'm actually gonna wear it because it's so tiny and it's silver and black, and just matching everything I wear always. And there is stitch markers, and one of them is a heart, which is matching the yarn again, which I love when stitch markers kind of coordinate with the yarn. And the second one is outline of Arkansas State, which is kind of cute. I love it. So that's the logo. And they're also a small package of tea, herbal tea. And I'm going to use it. Like I love herbal teas, and this sounds absolutely delicious. And finally, those are needle stoppers. And of course, everything goes together so well with this, and stitch markers and everything. And usually I don't look like I don't love cutesy stuff, but this is not cutesy. It's just beautiful. So so everything just put together so wonderfully, and there's so much thought behind it. And again, everything is matching, but not, it just, you can see the person who created it, they did it with so much care. And I can't believe that Lori is doing it every month. Like, I can't wait for March box to see how she's gonna curate the March box. I just cannot wait to see it. So So just wanted to share with you again, because like I never got excited about yarn subscription. And what I find perfect about this, you go on the website, you go to Sock Yarn Society. It's a separate website from their website, and there's a very easy steps. You just have to pick the base, and they have 3 different bases. So I picked Yummy Sparkle. That's the one with the sparkle. And then next step is you choosing 1 or 2 skeins. I decided to go with 1 because like 1 I always can use for something. And with 2, I would be kind of like I have more doubts, like, oh, is it enough or not enough? So 1 is perfect for me. And then just click subscribe and you can cancel anytime. So very easy process, very clear instruction how to do it. And the results, just beautiful. So I just want to share with you very quickly what I'm going to do with it, because I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. So I have a pattern, Love Spell, and this is a sock pattern with beads. It actually has beads. So I'm about to order, I know exactly what color beads I'm going to order for this, and I'm going to make those socks from this. And so I know it's only February, but I think I'm going to start making gifts for Christmas. So my girls, every girl in my family, they love hand knitted socks. So what I'm gonna do with, I think, with most of the subscription that I'm gonna receive this one skein through the year, I'm going to make another pair of Love Spell socks and give it for Christmas or somewhere, special occasion. So yeah, so it's just fun. I can't wait to start wind it and find the beads and just start working with it. So check out the website and see if this is something that you would like. We could subscribe, and I'm excited about it. So, well, I'll see you soon next time. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.